9 Best Indoor Herb Garden Kits of 2021. If you want to enjoy fresh herbs and veggies all year round but don't have the outdoor space, an indoor herb garden may be the answer to grow a few herbs or plants such as lettuces, vegetables, flowers and more. Indoor gardens can save you from needing to buy fresh or dried herbs at the grocery store and encourage you to skip getting takeout and cook healthier in the kitchen by trying a new recipe with your newly grown vegetables. Here are the best indoor garden herb kits for you. 1. Garden Home Starter Kit. It's so easy to set up, holds a lot of plants and the lettuce is so tender and flavorful. Unlike other smaller indoor herb gardens that only grow a few plants, this can grow a variety of produce such as lettuces, herbs, cherry tomatoes, jalapenos, kale, arugula and even flowers. 2. Indoor Herb Garden Kit by IDOO. This indoor garden kit can hold up to 12 pods at a fraction of the price of some other kits that contain the same amount of pods. It's one of the most popular indoor herb gardens on Amazon with nearly 1,000 reviews and a 4.5 rating. 3. Smart Garden 3 Pod by Click and Grow. It's compact and perfect to have on a small kitchen counter or little nook in your home. It can hold 3 pods, making it a good choice for someone living on their own or a small household that doesn't need a lot. 4. Organic Indoor Herb Garden. While most indoor gardens don't require any pesticides, if you are looking for a completely organic indoor herb garden, you may want to consider starting with organic seeds. This starter kit comes with thyme, parsley, chives, cilantro and basil that claim to be organic and non-GMO. 5. Harvest Indoor Herb Garden Kit AeroGarden. This hydroponic garden will hold up to 6 plants and comes with a full-spectrum grow light with no soil required. It comes with liquid plant nutrients and there's an indicator to remind you to fill up the water and add the plant food. We found that it was very easy to set up and it's compact enough to fit on a window ledge. 6. Smart Garden 9 Indoor Home Garden. This indoor garden fits 9 plants and when we tested it we found it was relatively compact and fits on the kitchen counter underneath cabinets. It was very easy to set up as mostly everything is already assembled, even the lights. 7. 9 Herb Window Garden. This 9 herb garden kit is perfect for beginners that want to give their green thumb a try without making a big investment. It comes with everything you need to get started, including reusable pots with drainage holes, drip trays, plant markers, soil discs and a planting guide. 8. Herb Pot Planter Set with Tray Barnyard Designs. The indoor herb garden kit comes with 3 pots that have drainage holes and a drip tray. It's also available in white, coral, turquoise, and seafoam blue. 9. The Farm Stand Garden. The plants are sent as seedlings already growing and within 2 weeks of planting, our tester could harvest enough lettuce to make salads for 5 people with the 24-plant farm stand. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel.